Hello again and welcome to Eat Skinny Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make lemonade pork. Now this is the long lost cousin, twice removed, great auntie of Diet Coke chicken. So if you really enjoyed that one, this one is really similar. A little bit like sweet and sour pork, really delicious, very lean. So let's get cooking. In a bowl you need to add 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 4 garlic cloves that are crushed, a 3 centimeter piece of root ginger, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a chicken stock cube, half a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, 500 milliliters of diet lemonade, and mix it up. In a large frying pan, you need to add some low-calorie cooking spray, 600 grams of lean pork fillet, and I've chopped these up into bite-sized chunks, 250 grams of prepared carrot batons, one large onion cut into bite-sized chunks. Cook the pork until it is no longer pink. To the pan, you need to add our lemonade mixture. Then you need to add in 3 medium courgettes that have been halved lengthways and thickly sliced. Cook this on the hob over a medium heat until the courgettes are tender. 1 tablespoon of cornflour that's been mixed in with some water. Then finally add in 275 grams of fresh pineapple chunks. And that is it, another strange recipe using diet lemonade with pork and lots of other vegetables and fruits. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button, and also if you want to keep up to date with new recipe videos, consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.